Now, beating a narcissist, reverse narcology, get you a drink, because I'm going to lay it out on a platter. On a platter. Hi, papi, you sound dirty. How to beat a narcissist. The way to outsmart them is, don't give them what it is they're thirsting for. Look, it's real easy. You don't give them attention. You don't, like, whenever they have a badass moment at work or some reward, acknowledgement, or whatever that they're bragging about, act like you didn't hear it. Or go, well, at the bare minimum, why are they rewarding you for what you're getting paid to do? Or acknowledge it, but leave it at that.